there on either side. And then I'll slip that rack under there and through there, and I'll be done. Okay. There's 2 washers on there. I think I'm probably gonna take the one washer off, but I'm gonna look at how thick that thing is. Maybe I'll take both. I went with Hepco and Becker because they make sturdy product. Let's look at, there goes my nut. See how that metal's even thicker, real close, but maybe even a little thicker. So I think I'm gonna take both of those off and put that on and see how that fits. Instructions are nice, but they are in German. But there's not too much to this install. And I wondered if these tail lights are smaller in the UK and overseas, and so it will just slip over them, whereas with these huge jumbo ones, they will not. As I thought, this rack would just slide right on there, which it's pretty dang close. It will, but blinker lights have to fit through there, and they don't, so that is a little problem. Okay, I took out those 3 bolts from down there. Normally you'd unclip the wiring harness and just pop this off, but I can't because that's something I screwed up down there. So now I'm gonna take off these 4 Phillips head screws and see if I can take the top off and remove the lights so I can slide on the rack. Now I'm hoping I can just pop this off. Let's grab it, there we go. Then I'm gonna loosen these up, put the rack on, put these back in. Actually, I'll just loosen up one, take one off. Then I should be good to go to rehook it back up. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Slide that one on, get this into position if I can, one-handed. It's gonna go under there. I'm gonna pop that light around, which I need my other hand for, and then slip that up. Okay, there's what it looks like just slid into place. Had to kind of fidget this around through there. It'll go right back in and work perfect. Got these lined up, these slid right on. I'm gonna put those on loosely, then thread those ones on, and then put that back together. This is how they show the bolt going through. So that's how I'm gonna use them. The Allen is the number 6, and the bolt on the back is the 13. So one more tool you gotta have. Goes on nice though, once you get that threaded in there. It's kind of a pain, much easier to use one of these to help get that bolt on the back. But it's nice and firm. I'm gonna tighten all this down and then put this back together, and I should be good to go. Okay, I think I've got it all the way on. Had some trouble getting this back together because of the tight fit and the fact that I can't disconnect it under there. But I think that's gonna work. Okay, here's the Chimera. Makes a lot more noise now. Don't know if I like that or not, but it feels good. There is the Hepco and Becker rear rack. Feels really sturdy, like pick the bike up sturdy. They say, what, I think 3 kilos. Feels pretty substantial. Pretty excited about that.